amazing. You can see it. There's absolutely no lag. It's absolutely awesome the way it works, and it's amazing. Basically, you can do tons on this. I mean, it's absolutely amazing. By the way, you can even use your camera if you want to. So let me just open up a camera. You can see how smooth this is. If I'm moving the camera, it's moving with the camera. And if I'm stopping, I'm taking a photo. You can see it on my TV. I'm opening the photo, and if I zoom in, you can see it can actually go full screen. I can show you right there. I can show you my my keyboard actually. I don't know if it's captured the keyboard right there. See? Hey, what is up everybody? I'm Riz and welcome to another awesome video. Today's video I'm going to show you how you can screen mirror any Samsung Galaxy smartphone to your TV. Completely free, it's wireless, you just saw it. It's pretty awesome. Yeah, let's just dive right into it. The first thing you want to do on your Galaxy smartphone is go into the settings page. So let me just do that. It might look different if you're not on Android 15, but this should look exactly like this. I mean, I have other Samsung phone as well. This should look exactly like this, okay? So once you're into the settings, go to the connection settings. Inside the connection settings, go to your home Wi-Fi and make sure your phone is connected to your home Wi-Fi setting. Make sure your phone is connected to your home Wi-Fi. That is really, really important. Once your Galaxy phone is connected to your home Wi-Fi, that is pretty much all you have to do. And again, if you don't have home Wi-Fi, you can use mobile hotspot, but mobile hotspot is not recommended because it can use your mobile data, as you can see at the top. If you have a SIM card inside and you have a data plan or something, it will eat the data plan. So it's not recommended. Use your home Wi-Fi. It's homey, it's free, and you don't have to worry about any data plans. So just make sure your Galaxy phone is connected to your home Wi-Fi, and that is pretty much all you have to do. So let's jump into the TV and let's do this. All right, so no matter what TV brand you have or no matter what TV you have, this should be similar to any kind of TV you have, okay? But if you have any questions, you can comment down below. I can definitely help you out, okay? So onto your TV, the first thing you want to do is go into the settings page. Now this might look different from your TV, but it should be similar, okay? So now once you're inside the settings, go all the way down to your general settings and find a network setting. So it should be inside somewhere. It can be in the open, but it can be inside the general settings. So find the network settings. Now inside the network settings, go to your, if you have done this before, you can click on network status. It will automatically make sure your TV is connected to your home Wi-Fi. But if you have never done this before, like me, I mean, I have done this before, but I want to show you how you can start from the basics. So open the network settings. Now inside the network settings, you can see you have two different options. You have wired and you have wireless. You want to click on wireless and it will automatically search for your Wi-Fi connection. So in this case, you can see top one is going to be my home Wi-Fi. All you have to do, and by the way, at the bottom, you can see I have actually the hotspot as well. I would not recommend a hotspot. Make sure you use your home Wi-Fi. So click on your home Wi-Fi and make sure your TV is connected to it. As you can see, mine is connected, and that is pretty much all you have to do. If you want to check the status of your network, you can click on network status. It will automatically make sure that your TV is connected. As you can see right there, mine is connected, and that is pretty much all you have to do. We don't need to do anything else on the TV. So let's dive right into it. All right, so onto your Galaxy smartphone, it's extremely simple. Just follow my lead and you're gonna be just fine. All right, so the first thing you're gonna do is go to your settings page. Now, inside your Galaxy settings page, it should look exactly like this, but if it's not, don't worry about it. So what you wanna do is go into your connected devices. Now, inside the connected devices, you have tons of different options right there, see? What we need to find is something called Smart View right there. Samsung calls it Smart View, but it's basically screen mirroring right there. So just click on that. It's gonna ask for some permission, so we're gonna do that. We're gonna give up all of the permissions, and you can see right there, I got the TVs inside the list. So these are basically all the TVs that are connected to my home Wi-Fi, and my phone is also on my home Wi-Fi. That is really important, okay? So once you find your TV, all you have to do is just click on your TV. It's gonna ask for the permission, so just click Start Now, and you can see it on my TV. It's asking for the permission on the S25 Ultra. All you have to do is just click allow, and we are connected. It's pretty awesome, right? I mean, the way it works is absolutely amazing. You can see it. There's absolutely no lag. It's absolutely awesome the way it works, and it's amazing. Basically, you can do tons on this. I mean, it's absolutely amazing. By the way, You can even use your camera if you want to. So let me just open up a camera. You can see how smooth this is. If I'm moving the camera, it's moving with the camera. And if I'm stopping, I'm taking a photo. You can see it on my TV. I'm opening the photo, and if I zoom in, you can see it can actually go full screen. I can show you right there. I can show you my my keyboard actually. I don't know if it's captured the keyboard right there. See? Yeah, it did capture the keyboard. There's a lot of things you can do on this. You can watch videos, listen to music. By the way, the audio will be coming from the TV. That is actually pretty awesome. So let me just open up YouTube and show you exactly how it works. All right, so I've opened up YouTube, and you can see these are all of my videos. I can open up any video. With something like this. See, the audio is actually coming from the TV. If I can start again. Emails for the computer. See, pretty amazing the way it works. It's absolutely awesome. That's pretty much it for the video. By the way you stop this is really simple as well. As you can see, you have the screen actually smart view option at the top. You can click on that. You can click on that. You will get multiple options right there. See, you can actually stop it right there. You can see the disconnect option, but if you don't want to do that, you want to go into the settings, go to your connected devices, go all the way down until you find smart view. Once you're inside the smart view, you can see the TV right there. Just click on that and it will automatically disconnect it for you. Pretty awesome, right? I mean, it's absolutely awesome. So that's pretty much it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked it, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out. Well, that's pretty much it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. By the way, if you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section below. I will definitely help you out, okay? I'm Riz, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.